Welcome to Easy Add-ins. Let's drive step by step. Make sure Enable Widget from Essential Classy tab. Let's jump into Elementor Editor and search Hotspot Widget. First of all, select Image for Hotspot. In Repeater, we have Image, Icon, and Text options. Using top and left offset, you can manage position dots. Also, we have wave effect on dots in Repeater. In Tooltip, we have title and description with its position options. In Repeater, we have styling option, so you can manage current dots design. Using minimum width option, you can manage tooltip width. In Styling tab, we have Provide General Styling options. Using this option, you can create attractive design for Hotspot. In Tooltip Title Styling tab, you can manage alignment of title and manage styling options. Let's check sample layout demo using Hotspot Widget.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.